Spring is a wonderful time of year with all sorts of plants poking their heads through ready for the growing season. Rhubarb is no exception, so a few weeks ago I started taking pictures of the progress of our plant at the top of the garden. Lo and behold, a few weeks later we were able to take our first pickings. So I'm just going to pull the first of this year's rhubarb stalks. I'll pull a few because we're going to have rhubarb crumble for pudding today. I can get them out. Oh, there you go. Doesn't even wipe. So you pull from underneath first of all, because you're pulling from the outside of the crown, and the centre of the crown will keep growing then. So we'll take these leaves off. Won't put them in the compost bin because we've found in our bin that these poison the compost. I know a lot of people do put them in the compost, but we don't. These go down to the main recycling plant with the rest of our garden rubbish. So they don't go to waste completely. But let's take you back into the kitchen and sort this rhubarb crumble out. Just rinse it off. You use an awful lot just to get any dirt or bugs off. And then I'm going to top and tail. Then I just cube that up, put it into the dish here. I've already greased the edge of the dish so that the crumble itself won't actually stick to the dish. There you go, that's the last of the rhubarb chopped up, gone into there. I'm going to put a tiny little bit of sugar into it. It doesn't need an awful lot, but it just adds that little extra taste. And the next thing to go in is the crumble, which I've already made up, and that's just 5 ounces of flour, 3 ounces of caster sugar and 3 ounces of butter, crumbled together until it looks something like this, and then you just pop it onto the top. We actually like quite hefty proportion of crumble to fruit, so that's why I put so much in a really small dish.
Fruit or vegetables?
Well, a rhubarb is actually a vegetable, but of course this crumble recipe would be used for any fruit that we were using. Just over here. And just for a little bit of added crunch, tiny bit of demerara sugar on the top. That will go into the oven. And there we are. Rhubarb crumble! If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.